Hello, YouTubers. Once again, Mr. Blues back with some pics. Might have some music going here in a little bit. Got some new editing software. Uh, Flimia? I think I'm saying it right. Anyway, I'm doing the trial version. Of course, you've seen how the beginning started. Watch it all the way through to the end and see some of the magic stuff I done in between there. Hope y'all like it and enjoy it. Just want to say thank you for all the views I done got so far. I need to get some more subscribers, so if y'all want to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button down there. Share it with your friends. And anyway, y'all enjoy the pics, and I'm working on a fishing video coming up soon, hopefully. If the software works out right, I should get it done pretty soon, next day or two. Probably around middle of the weekend. But anyway, y'all know the routine. Like it, hit that like button, hit that share button, and most of all, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time and enjoy a little bit of this music going on right here. Later.